So this is exactly how I was able to connect my PlayStation 5 here to a monitor, as you can see, and it works perfect for me here. So basically I was able to connect it to my monitor by doing exactly this I'm going to show you. So you can see at the back of my PlayStation there's two cables inserted. So the first one here you probably know about, this is the power cable, and obviously it needs to go to some type of power source, and then you will be able to power on your PlayStation. So the second cable is this is the HDMI cable, and this is exactly where it needs to go. This is the specific spot for the HDMI cable for your PlayStation 5. The other end needs to go to your monitor. So for me, I have an AOC gaming monitor, and you can see I had to insert it exactly right here. So this is an HDMI cable that goes from my PlayStation to my monitor. Once I have done all of that, then I'm going to show you what I had to do after that. So there's going to be a power button. You will probably see it right here. So the power button, if I click on it here, it's going to turn on the monitor. And when it turns on the monitor, it should instantly recognize my PlayStation 5 if everything is connected correctly to it. And basically that is exactly how I was able to do so.